What up, y'all? Two-time Moto TV back. Y'all, I got an update for the 2004 Crown Victoria. Man, we got a lot of work to do, man. Coming up very soon. I know I've been gone for a while. I know I haven't been uploading in a while. You know, I had some things, you know, to go on and to happen, and you know, I got everything situated, and yeah, man, we back at it, yo, like we never left. So y'all, I just ordered the wrap last Thursday. Today is Saturday. Just ordered the wrap last Thursday, and I ordered it from R Vinyl. They are stationed out of New York, and it's the 3M vinyl. I might post a description of it in the picture right here. I may not, I don't know. We'll think about it. I don't know if I want to just do a reveal of what color I went with or whatnot, but yeah, man, I also ordered some brand new tires for the front. You know, I got the slits in the front. For you guys that's been tuned in since day one, man, y'all know that my front two tires are bad. I can barely drive the car like I want to. So I haven't been, you know, bringing you guys a lot of footage, a lot of driving footage with the car. I can only really drive a couple miles here and there, man. You know, the front tires act crazy. You know, you can kind of feel like the shaking in the steering wheel and stuff. But yeah, man, small thing to worry about, because we got two brand new tires on the way. The two tires that I ordered are the same brand tires that I have on the rear and the front, the whole car. They're the Carbon series. The best tires I ever had on rims, guys, hands down, are the Carbon series. I had these tires on this car for about 4 to 5 years. And you know, I done drove the car cross country, you know, I went a long ways with the car, man. You know, I used to drive it a lot. Tires still got great tread on it. Like I said, the only reason why the two front tires got the slits in it is because when I got it lifted by that one shop that you guys can check out in my other video, I don't know if they didn't know how to turn it or what, but I mean, they're a rim shop. They should have known how to turn it, how to get it in and out the shop, man. But they end up rubbing significantly in the inside, and I guess put two slits in both of the tires, and it had a stupid camber on it. So like I said, you guys can check out my last videos, man. But for you guys that are day ones that know what's going on, man, yeah, like you guys know what I'm talking about. But just ordered two brand new tires. I got the wrap. I got 10 yards of the wrap, so that's 30 feet. That's not gonna be nowhere near enough wrap to get the whole car done. Man, like, I beat myself up every day, man, thinking like, yo, is it worth it, you know, putting the wrap on, you know, this paint? Because the paint is pretty clean, man. Like, I ain't got no problem with this black paint. You know, it's a regular black color, yes, but I mean, it's clean, man. So I beat myself up, man, thinking whether I should just get my money back or whatnot. But you know what, I promised you guys that I was gonna wrap the car, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna definitely be cleaner after I get done, man. Like I said, hopefully I can be a first-time professional at this thing. I'm definitely gonna take my time when I'm wrapping the car, and you know, bring you guys great content of do's and don'ts. Hopefully I don't waste a lot of wrap, because that wrap is expensive. For 10 yards was almost $600. That's 30 feet of wrap. That was $600, guys. I mean, that is a lot of money just for almost like a sticker. That's what I feel like it is. But if you guys look at the paint, man, like, the paint is fresh. The paint is clean, man. Like, I can't really complain about how Mako done me. Like, to be honest, yo, like, they done a great job on this car for, you know, where it was and where it is now, man. Like, this thing is in great condition. I cannot complain about the work that they done, not at all, man. I would definitely refer them to anybody that's trying to get a vehicle painted. I actually referred them to a couple of folks that's been asking me where did I get it painted and everything, and yeah, man, so I also want to build my own box in the back to get the right, you know, kind of wood, the right dimensions for my Alpine Type R 12-inch. I want to build a box myself. I'm not gonna get a shop to do it. If I do, then you know I was just being lazy at the time or whatever. But I want to build my own box to my specs, to how big I want it to fit in the trunk and the whole nine. So yeah, y'all, that's similar to the update that I want to bring you guys. You know, I still got interior work to do. I still got motor work to do. And I'm really debating on whether I want to go 30s or 32s for the wheels. These 28s are going to suffice me for probably the rest of this year. Maybe towards the end of the year, then I may put 30s or 32s on it. Not really sure really what I want to do with that yet, but I definitely know I want to go bigger than 28s, man. Like she sit nice, she sit ready for 30s, most definitely. I will have to do a little bit more cutting for 32s, which really ain't a big deal. I can just take the fenders back off and do, you know, a little bit more cutting. Like I said, I feel like that the cuts that I done turned out pretty good, so it's really not gonna be a big deal. You guys let me know what y'all think in the comments below, man. I know I can put some 30s on here with a nice size tire, maybe like a 30 series tire, a 32 series tire, I mean 35, excuse me, 35 series tire. And it'll make the rim look a lot bigger, because right now I got the rubber bands on the 28s. They only make a 25 series in these 28 inches. So for you guys that's buying 28-inch rims, just know that they only make 25 series tires. You can only get rubber bands for these tires. So how big my tires are is only the tire size you can get for 28s, which is really not enough of anything on there, man. So that can make your rim look smaller. You know, when you got a smaller tire, it definitely makes your rim look smaller. So yeah, I may go 30s, man, and put like a 30 or 35 series tire on it, man, and make, you know what I'm saying, the rims look like 30s. So got that going. The next couple videos I may bring you guys while I'm waiting for this wrap to come. I'll give you guys a review on how I feel our vinyl dummy. It's R, the letter R, vinyl.com. They got a lot of bad reviews, and then they got a lot of good reviews. So, you know, you gotta be careful with companies like that. But like I said, like, I'm gonna take that chance. I give a rating for them when I get my stuff, whether the packaging was good, whether it's shipped like it was supposed to, whether I got what I wanted. So I'll definitely let you guys know if it was a good buy or not. Hopefully it'll be a good buy for $600 for 10 yards. It better be a good buy, man. Like, I don't want to just be wasting money and stuff. So I'll definitely let you guys know that very soon when I get that. But in the next couple videos, I may go ahead and show you guys how to change out a power steering pump. It may be the pump, or it may be the fluid in it. I don't know. I haven't lifted the hood up in a while. So you know, I gotta check on those things and see really what's going on. But yeah, man, that's the update for the Crown Vic. My next couple videos, like I said, it will be the do-it-yourself videos instead of me talking right now. But I did want to give you guys an update since I haven't uploaded in a long time of what I really got going on with the car, man. Like, the car is gonna be decked out, show ready, the whole thing, man. Like, as soon as I get done with it, man, I'm gonna definitely take it to shows. I may take it to the drag strip or whatever, man, just to run it a couple times or whatever, and see what it can do. And I'll definitely bring you guys all of the footage from that. So hopefully you guys stay tuned with me, man, and let me know what you guys think of the progress so far. I know it's a slow process, but everything that I'm doing, man, I'm spending a lot of money on. And hopefully you guys subscribe, man, so I can get a little bit more help, you know, as YouTube support. And I can definitely bring you guys a lot better content, maybe get better cameras. You know, I might start working on the Acura that my wife just came home in. May put some turbos in that thing. I may do something to the Buick, man, make that Buick a sleeper. So, yo, you never know, man. Like, I got a lot of things in mind, but like I said, funds is a asset that I need to actually make these things happen. Hey, bro, how you doing? Yeah, I see you got a phone. Yeah, man, happy baby, man. But yeah, y'all, so stay tuned, man. That wrap should be here, I guess, in another week or so, man. They said 5 to 7 days, so I really don't know. And yeah, I still gotta finish the plasti dip. Y'all see I got the plasti dip back here. I need to finish it on the driver's side door and the whole passenger side. But I like the way that the rear turned out right here. So I'm definitely gonna finish that, man, and get that completed before I actually do the wrap. Been, you know, looking at a lot of videos and stuff on do's and don'ts with the wrap. So I'll show y'all my do's and don'ts. Like I said, hopefully it's only do's, because that wrap is expensive. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. 2-Time Moto TV out. Just give y'all that update. And yeah, man, y'all about to see the master at work, or the virgin at work. All right, peace.